A series of enigmatic prophecies about the presence of flowers in our homes has emerged, revealing hidden secrets and unfathomable mysteries. Seers and prophets from various eras and parts of the world have shared messages associating flowers with powerful spiritual energies, supernatural protection, and even divine connections. Now I bring you the most talked about prophecies that are awakening something out of the ordinary in people who have or want to have flowers in their homes. But before we begin, if you have flowers at home, leave a comment here saying, "I love flowers." Tell me how many types and which flowers you have at home. I'd love to know more about your love and dedication to cultivating flowers in your home. Now I will begin with the most talked about prophecies about flowers recently, offering an analysis of each one. Let's get started. 1. The Passion Flower Prophecy. In the gardens of the enlightened souls, the passion flower will bloom, and in it will reside the power to heal what is broken. Analysis. Nostradamus, the mysterious prophet, wrote about the passion flower as a symbol of healing for those suffering from emotional pain. The passion flower, with its distinctive features, symbolizes the crucifixion of Christ, serving as a reminder of sacrifice and redemption. Numerologically, the number 5, corresponding to the 5 points of the flower, is a number of transformation and change. What to do? Place a passion flower in a vase near your bed for 21 days. Pray for emotional healing. After this period, expect a significant change in your emotional life. 2. The White Lily of Purity Prophecy. The white lily will bloom in the house of the righteous, and its fragrance will purify impure hearts. Analysis. Saint Malachi, famous for his prophecies about the popes, also spoke about the importance of the white lily. This flower is a universal symbol of purity and virtue. In the Bible, the lily is mentioned as a plant of singular beauty compared to the glory of King Solomon. The prophecy suggests that having a white lily at home can purify the environment, warding off negative influences and attracting divine blessings. What to do? Place a white lily on your home altar, pray daily for purification and protection, and you will feel an increase in spiritual peace in your home. 3. The Blood Rose Prophecy. On the 7th moon, when the sun hides longer than it should, the blood rose will bloom. Whoever cultivates it will witness the revelation of the heavens. Analysis. Elisa Revelare, a 15th century seer, predicted that the red rose, known as the blood rose, should be planted under the new moon, especially during solar eclipses. According to her, this act would open spiritual portals, bringing prophetic visions to the cultivator. The red color associated with blood symbolizes both life and sacrifice, reminding us of Christ's passion and redemption. In numerology, the number 7 is considered a sacred number of spiritual perfection, reinforcing the power of this prophecy. What to do? Plant a red rose during an eclipse and wait until the next full moon. That night, meditate deeply, expecting to receive a message from the heavens. The Dawn Camellia Prophecy. When the white camellia opens at dawn, the soul of the one who cultivated it will be taken to the heavens. Analysis. The Sibyl of Persia, one of the most enigmatic prophetesses, spoke of the white camellia as a bridge between the earthly and the spiritual worlds. The camellia, in various cultures, is seen as a symbol of love and devotion. Having this flower at home, especially at dawn, can be a sign of spiritual elevation and closeness to angels. What to do? Cultivate a white camellia and observe it at dawn. When it blooms, meditate and feel the divine connection. 5. The Violet of Truth Prophecy. On a starless night, the violet will bloom, and whoever picks it will see the hidden truth. Analysis. Catherine of Siena, known for her mystical visions, recounted a dream where the violet was the key to revealing hidden secrets. The violet, a modest flower, is frequently associated with humility and hidden wisdom. In numerology, the number 9 associated with the violet represents spiritual enlightenment. What to do? Harvest a violet at night and keep it in a sacred book. Pray for clarity, and within 3 days, an important truth will be revealed to you. 6. The sunflower of wisdom. Prophecy. The sunflower will follow the light of knowledge, and in its home, the bearer will see the world with new eyes. Analysis. Hildegard of Bingen, a mystic and visionary, spoke of the sunflower as a flower that seeks the light and symbolizes the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The sunflower, with its ability to follow the sun, serves as a reminder that we should always seek truth and wisdom. In esotericism, the sunflower is associated with the third eye chakra, which governs intuition. What to do? Plant sunflowers in your garden and meditate at dawn, visualizing the light of knowledge entering your mind and expanding your consciousness. 7. The Black Tulip of Destiny. Prophecy. The black tulip will grow where there is sadness, but it will bring the strength to change destiny. Analysis. Cassandra, the prophetess of Troy, was cursed so that her predictions would never be believed. However, she mentioned the black tulip as a rare flower that could alter the destiny of those who possess it. The black tulip, with its somber color, symbolizes the complexity of life and the mysteries of fate. In numerology, the number 4 associated with the tulip represents stability and security. What to do? Place a black tulip in a central spot in your home and meditate on the changes you desire. Within 28 days, you will notice significant changes in your life. 8. The Jasmine of Dreams. Prophecy. Jasmine will sweeten the dreams of the righteous and guide them toward the kingdom of heaven. Analysis. Apollonia of Alexandria, known for her devotion and visions, wrote about jasmine as a flower that influences the realm of dreams. Jasmine, with its delicate scent, is known for promoting peaceful and intuitive dreams. Biblically, dreams are a means through which God communicates with humanity, and jasmine can serve as a bridge for such communications. What to do? Place jasmine branches under your pillow before sleeping, pray for guidance in your dreams, and wait for signs and messages while you sleep. 9. The Orchid of Infinity. Prophecy. The orchid, flower of infinity, grows in the hearts of those who seek eternity. Analysis. The wise Chinese associated the orchid with the pursuit of eternity and spiritual fulfillment. The orchid, with its elegant and long-lasting flowers, symbolizes perfection and deep meditation. In Taoist philosophy, the orchid represents harmony between man and the universe. What to do? Cultivate an orchid in a space dedicated to meditation. Meditate on eternity and the connection with the cosmos, seeking inner peace and balance. 10. The Peony of Prosperity. Prophecy. Where there are peonies, there will be abundance, and their presence will bring prosperity to their bearer. Analysis. Melchizedek, the enigmatic king and priest, mentioned the peony as a flower that attracts prosperity. The peony, with its lush and vibrant blooms, symbolizes wealth and honor. Numerologically, the number 8 associated with the peony is a number of power and material success. What to do? Plant a peony in a place where you desire prosperity. Pray for abundance and observe how the energy of prosperity flows into your life. Flowers have always played a special role in the spiritual and mystical life of humanity. That is why it is important that when cultivating them at home, we keep our minds and hearts open to the energies they bring with them. If you already have any of these flowers at home or plan to cultivate them, do as I do and begin your spiritual practices, letting the power of flowers transform your life. Don't miss what Nostradamus predicted for dog owners and the powerful spiritual energies surrounding our pets. Click now to discover how these prophecies might be influencing your life without you even knowing it. This is a video you can't miss. Go now and be amazed by the truth.